Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I just want to say happy Friday everybody. I'm so glad today is Friday because you know what that means. I am back with another drink video. So today's drink, I'm going to be making a Jamaican Me Tipsy daiquiri. So I'm actually going to be using a new blender today, guys. I have a new Ninja blender that my fiance got for me, and this is going to be my first go with it. So it just came with these three things, and then just the base right there. So I'm going to be testing it out with you all today. Let's hope it does a good job because I know I love my other two blenders. So I'm going to put this on here and you have to turn it to lock it. Just like that. And then I think the top has like a little release button and then it has the spout. Well, if I can open it. I'll do it in a minute. But for today's drink, I'm going to be using some Deep Eddy lemon flavored vodka. The Master of Mixes watermelon. And the strawberry. So I'm going to go ahead and get my cup filled up with some ice. All right, so I have my ice in my cup and I have it to about the 5-cup mark on here. And so I'm going to go ahead and pour in my mixes. I'm going to do about a 1/2 cup of each until I figure out if I need more. This is actually my first time trying this one. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do 5. It's not called Jamaican Me Tipsy for nothing. So I'm going to go ahead and get my top on. Oh, have to release it. And then close it down. All right, so I'm gonna power it on and then I'm going to use the medium button. All right, so I'm pretty sure it is all blended up. Twist it and pull it off. And this does have the little pour spout, but I'm not gonna use it today. So I'm just gonna click my release button and it opens up the top. And it blends up pretty good as well. I'm gonna go ahead and garnish with a strawberry. guys. My Jamaican Me Tipsy frozen daiquiri. So I hope you enjoyed the video today, guys. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know down below if there's anything you would like to see me make. And I will be happy to do that for you. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.